Vanquish optic ready bolt. Batteries charged, my rig feels right. Crawling slow by morning light. Tires bite down in the cedar shade. Links flex out where paths ain't made. Over moss and shale she climbs with grace. One gate at a time, no need to race. Through the rocks with my optic I find peace. In the silence where the noises cease. Moss on stone and water song, this is where my wheels belong. Crawling careful, line by line. Me and my optic, taking our time. Ridge of roots and a granite wall. Throttle low, don't let her fall. Servo humming, shocks in sync. She pivots clean with barely a blink. Through the rocks with my optic I find peace. In the silence where the noises cease. Moss on stone and water song, this is where my wheels belong. Crawling careful, line by line. Me and my optic, taking our time. No need for speed, no finish light. Just that line that feels just right. Where others see just dirt and trees, I see a world that sets me free. Through the rocks with my optic I find peace. A trail of stillness, piece by piece. Each gate I pass I earn with pride. Just me, my rig, this mountainside. Crawling careful, slow and true. But the world fades out, it's just us.